Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a custom avatar look to your game or to your Roblox character. Because a lot of games on Roblox make the game character that you play as look the exact same for everybody. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. So to start off, go up here to plugins and then click on build rig. Then you can choose any one you want, even in R6. I'm just doing the block rig for now, for the example. And once you have it in, name the model. Why is that not working? Rename. Name the model starter character. Then once you do that, go click on the plus, then add a shirt, then add pants. Once you do that, go to your web browser and then look for a shirt that you want to put on your character. So this is the one I'm using for the example. Once you have it, go up here, click on it, on the link, then click on the group of numbers. Then copy it, then go back to Roblox Studio, click on the clothing shirt, and then here in the shirt template, paste it. And then it pastes onto your character. Then just do the same thing here with a second one for pants. And then go back and then paste it here. Then once it's like that, you can close them up. Then you move him to starter player. And he should disappear. Then when you do that, play your game. It's going to take a minute to load. And this happens to me a lot of the time where he gets frozen in midair. But it's okay. I know how to fix that problem. So stop your game, then open starter character. You can move him back to the workspace if you want. Make sure he's open. Then look for humanoid root part and make sure that part is not anchored. It'll either say up here or right here. And once you do that, you will go move your character to starter player again. Play the game. Then once he's loaded in, you can see it works. And if you don't like it as much and you don't want him to be bald and you don't want his skin color to be like that, you go stop the game, move him back to the workspace, click on him, open him, and then you can go head and then you just change the brick color to, I'll just change mine to yellow. And then his color changes. If you want to give him some hair, then you can just go to the toolbox in home. Then you can go search up for just hair. I just do this. And then you move it down to starter character, and then it automatically moves it to the desired location. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next video.